In this video, we're going to walk through how to integrate Google Analytics with your Profit.co account. Integrating Google Analytics with Profit.co gives you the benefit of utilizing both of these tools without the hassle of switching between platforms, saving time and effort, and associating the important KPIs to your key results. First, navigate to your Settings module, and then select Integrations. Select Connectors, and then locate the Google Analytics icon. From here, select Manage, and then log in to your Google account. You'll be prompted to let Profit.co access your Google account. By pressing Allow, Profit.co will be able to draw updated data from your Google Analytics account when you ask it to. Once you enter your credentials, you'll be directed back to your Profit.co account where you can see all KPIs from Google Analytics. You can enable or disable the availability of your KPIs. Enabled KPIs will now be available to use when creating new key results. Let's create a new key result and complete a check-in using our Google Analytics KPIs. First, we'll navigate to the All My OKRs page and select the department and OKR we'd like to add a key result to. Let's add a new key result under the objective Improve Our Blog. Using the step-by-step guide, we'll create a key result to increase the number of page views. We'll select the Increase KPI option. As you can see, our next step has a designated section for integrations and for Google Analytics KPIs. Select this section and you'll be able to see all the metrics used in your Google Analytics account. We'll select page views from this section. The next step is for determining how much you'd like to increase your page views by. You can provide your own value or get the current value from Google Analytics by simply clicking on the refresh icon. If we currently have 57 visitors, let's input that we'd like to reach 1,000. We'll then select an end-of-quarter target date, and the system will automatically generate a key result title from the information you input. You can make any necessary adjustments and add comments. Finally, select the desired frequency of check-ins, and then press Complete. Now you have a Google Analytics integrated key result beneath your objective. When the time comes to complete a check-in on your key result, progress will be drawn from the data in your Google Analytics account, and you'll be provided with the correct value to update your progress in your Profit.co platform. Update your progress, the status of the key result, and add any desired comments. Your Profit.co account will directly reflect your Google Analytics key result value, making it easier than ever to use, learn from, and stay up to date with your company's important data.